Okay guys, many of you send me message saying, I am freelancer, I just start working as a freelancer, but I'm struggling to get my first client. How can I get my first client? Well, today I'm going to show you how to get your first client. And I'm actually going to give you everything you need 100% free, and it's all copy and paste. Okay guys, before we begin, please like this video and also please share this video with your freelancer friends so they can also learn how to get their first client. And also please subscribe to my channel and turn all notifications on so you don't miss any of my new videos. So with that being said, let's continue. Like I said, I got messages from many of you on my Instagram page and my Facebook fan page asking me, I just start working as a freelancer on Fiverr, on Upwork, on freelance.com, but I'm struggling to get my first client. How to get my first client? Well, today I'm going to show you where you can find trusty clients. Clients that are looking exactly you, a talented freelancer. And those are actually small businesses. Why small businesses? Because small businesses have small budgets, and that means that they cannot hire agencies to do everything for them, to do logo for them, to do social media for them, to design websites for them, to do SEO, to do ad campaigns, and so on and so on. And that means that they need to hire you, a freelancer, which is great for you. Also, I'm going to show you a blueprint of the message, of the first message that I use when I'm contacting my clients. And also I'm going to show you how to outsource everything so you don't have to do anything by yourself. Now that is important because it often happens, for example, that client hires you to make them, for example, Instagram story video, but they also wish to hire you to make a YouTube ad video, but you don't know how to make YouTube ad video. So you can actually outsource that and make more money from same client. So with that being said, let me just jump in my computer and we are going to begin. Okay, first thing you need to do, you need to go on Google, and here in search bar you need to type exactly this, myip.ms, and click search, and click on the first result. And you will come on this website here, and on this website you can find IP addresses of almost all the websites on the internet. Now this is really important part of the video, so pay close attention. Here in this search bar you need to type exactly this, 23.227.38.65, and click here to search this IP address. And here you can see this is IP address of Shopify. That is right, we are actually going to use Shopify to find small businesses. And you need to click here on other sites on IP. And you need to confirm that you are human. I'm human being, click here. And this website will actually give you a list of all the Shopify stores. So what you need to do, you need to scroll here, and here you can see a list of Shopify stores. And then you need to click here on view all records. Click here to close this ad, give it a few seconds, and when you scroll here you can see a list of all the Shopify stores. And when you scroll here, you will see that there is actually 50 stores on this first page, and there is more than 6,000 pages, which means there is more than 300,000 stores on this list. That is a huge potential. You can find lots of clients here on this list. Now, what you need to do, you actually need to check all of these stores, because what often happens, let me just open one of these stores, let's say this one here, for example, that many of these stores, as you can see, are actually not working anymore because, like I said, these are all small businesses and they often fail, unfortunately. So you need to close this window and you need to find those stores that are still working. So let me check, for example, this one here. Let's click here to open it. And this one also doesn't work anymore. So let's just test here, this one here. Okay, this one still works. Okay, what you need to do next is you need to check this page, you need to analyze this page, you need to check their logo, you need to check their images, you need to check their design, and then what you need to do, you need to contact this page. Now, sometimes contact us page is on the top like this, but sometimes is on the bottom of the website. But also sometimes it happens that there is no contact us page. But as you can see here, there is often social media pages, Instagram pages, Twitter pages, Facebook fan pages, Pinterest pages. So you can go on one of their social media websites, social media pages, and contact them through that social media page, send them message on Instagram, on Facebook, and so on and so on. But these guys actually do have contact us page. So what you need to do, you need to click here on contact us. And here you can see contact form. And now you actually need to send them a message. And as you can see here, you need to add your name, you need to add your email, and if you have custom email, that would be best. But if you don't, that is still okay. Here you need to add your phone number, and here you need to add your message. And like I said, I am going to give you a copy and paste message that I use to contact my clients. And this is the message, as you can see here. You will start your message with hi, and if you can find the name of the contact person, then it would be hi Mark, or hi John, or hi Lisa, or whatever the name of that contact person is. If you cannot find the name of contact person, then just say hi. And then say I just stumble upon your, and then store name. So let me just go back on this store, and as you can see, this store name is Hair and Money. So in this case, it would be hi, I stumble upon your Hair and Money Shopify store. And for the store name, you will add the name of the store that you are actually checking at that moment. And then you will say, firstly, I want to congratulate you on starting your own store. I know that it is not easy to start your own business. That is awesome. Now, how would you like to scale your store and find new high-paying customers? I had a chance to evaluate your store or website and want to offer some feedback and some interesting suggestions to grow your business. Now, this is an intro message. This is the intro of that message. Okay? And for example, if you are a graphic designer, this would be next thing that you need to send them. Your aesthetic and graphics could use a bit of work. I happen to be a professional graphic designer with 5 years of experience. I attached sample of my work below. You should always attach sample of your work. And that will increase your chances of getting that job because now they can actually see quality of your designs. And if you are SEO expert, for example, then you can join to some affiliate programs on some big web hosting companies like HostGator, like GoDaddy, Bluehost, and so on and so on. And you can suggest your client to move on those web hostings in order, for example, to speed up their website. And in that way, you will earn even more money because that client will pay you for your service and you will also earn an affiliate commission if they register for web hosting on one of those companies. Now, this is really important. Many people make mistake by offering different kind of services from different kind of areas. And then they look suspicious because then they look like an agency or like one of those guys who knows how to do everything, but it does nothing properly. So please do not offer multiple services from different areas. If you are going to offer different services, then offer the services from same niche. For example, offer to design their logo, to design their banners, their flyers, and so on and so on. Because in that way you look like a professional, like someone who really is only a graphic designer. And of course, you will adjust these templates to your own needs. For example, here store name, you will add the name of the store that you are contacting. This part here you will also adjust to your own needs, to your own expertise, for example, to SEO, to video editing, to writing, or whatever you are offering. You will adjust this part here. And like I said, you can simply copy and paste this message. So what I can do, I can actually do this. And I can simply highlight this and Control C for copy, and I can go back here on this contact form and I can simply paste it here. If of course I'm offering a graphic design services, if I'm not, then you will adjust this part to your own needs and then simply send them a message. Now this is important. To be honest with you, you will need to send a few messages. If you expect that you will get a client after just one message, well, that won't happen. You will probably need to send 20 or 30 messages before you get a client. But you will get a client. As you saw here on this page here, there is more than 300,000 stores on this list. You can surely find a client for you. You can surely find at least 20, 30, or even 50 clients. All you have to do is just send enough messages and it's totally free. You don't have to invest any money. You can use this website 100% free. Like I said, it often happens that your client, for example, hires you to design them a logo. But they also wish to hire you to design them Instagram posts. But you don't know how to design Instagram posts. So what you can do is you can simply go on Fiverr, and here in search bar you can type Instagram post. And here you can see Instagram post design. Click here and Fiverr will give you a list of people who will actually design Instagram posts for you. This is another tip for you. As you can see here on the first page, these guys are really good. They have lots of reviews, but they are also really expensive. So what you can do is you can simply scroll down on the bottom and you can go on second, third or fifth page and you can find a good talented freelancers on second page or third page, and as you can see these guys have much less reviews, but they are also much cheaper than the guys on the first page, but they are also equally good, but because they are just starting, that is why they don't have that many reviews. And let's say I wish to hire this guy here. I will design social media posts, graphics for Facebook and Instagram. Click here and as you can see, this guy is actually charging only 448 euros, that is $5 for a standard post. And when you scroll here, and here you can see actually samples of his work. And when I click here, I can see even more samples. And you can use these samples to actually send them to your client to see if your client actually likes these kind of designs, Instagram post designs. And if he does like that, you can simply come back here on Fiverr and you can hire this guy to design you an Instagram post for just $5 and you can charge your client, for example, $20 for that service and you will earn $15 commission without doing anything. So you can make double money on the same client. So this is how you get your first client as a freelancer. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.